crafting family. Hope everyone is doing great today, and thank you for stopping by. I wanted to do a really quick project share with you guys. This was supposed to be out in the mail a few days ago, and I'm just so behind on everything. This was a swap for the group on Facebook, Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And it is a stacked envelope project, and it's got a drawer and it's got some cubbies in the back. So let me just show you what I've made my partner. So we were to follow a tutorial by Robin Pitts, and then we could decorate it in our own style. So this, it's so hard to show, but these are the envelopes right here. They are stacked one on top of the other, and in between the envelopes are little cubbies, if you will. They are like envelopes for thick or dimensional cards. So this is what I've done to mine. Of course, I made the drawer. Let me show you this way. I've made the drawer right here, and I put some trim on the top envelope, and in between I put a row of pearls on each one of the little thicker envelopes, the dimensional envelopes. And then I put some flowers right here, and I tucked in some glitter balls here and there. And then this is the top envelope that was supposed to stand like an easel. It's, well, an easel envelope. And what I did was put a hugs sentiment right there. I've had this piece in my stash forever, and I thought this was perfect. So I put that there, and I stickled the inside, and I put this applique, and it had some flowers in the center, but I took those out, and I put this piece right there. I put some more bling or some more half back pearls on the envelope flap, and then I put these flowers on here on the front. And when we open the envelope, it's got a magnet, so it'll close and there's no struggle. But inside the envelope, I went ahead and made like a postcard almost that'll go on the inside. I just put this trim on the top with the hearts, and I stickled the inside of the hearts, and the back is plain, and I did ink around the edges. So I put that in there for my partner. We weren't required to do this part, but I thought it was a nice addition. And it's got the magnet closure, and inside the drawer it's got 4 handmade flowers, which was a requirement. My flowers, I put some glass glitter around my flowers, and in the center they have Seedlings by Blue Fern Studios. I love those. So those were my 4 flowers that were required. And then for the feet, I just put some, wooden finials in there. And on the back, we were supposed to make 2 cards to fit inside the little cubbies here. And I've made 2 cards. That's the first one, and with the envelopes. And then this is the second card, again with the envelopes. And then I just put a spool of ribbon inside the other one right here. So I thought that was pretty. And I have other goodies to go along with this. I put some flowers right there, and this is what the back looks like. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that trim. And then I tucked a flower inside the easel, and I just love how it turned out. I really, really do. I hope my partner likes it. And then I sent her some trim right here, and I just put a simple little bag topper and a felt flower. I put an extra goodie in there for her. It is a die cut by Spellbinders, and I just embossed the glassine bag, put the word gracias on there, little bow with a flower, and then I included some little bunnies. These are from the collection Welcome Easter. So I used this die to make these little bunnies, and I included that in there for her as well. And then another thing that I made for her was a little folio using the rest of the paper. I only had a little bit left, so I thought, well, let me make something with it so I can go ahead and send it off as a, you know, as a matching piece there. So I just put a cluster of flowers, the word smile, and this is our beautiful Emma, and I put a dangle here on the side with a bow, and then the back has more paper from the collection. And then opening it up, it's just a simple folio, and this is a little card. She can either journal, put a picture on there, and this is a waterfall right there. As you can tell, I used bits and pieces for the bottom of the waterfall, and then this will hold it closed. And then over here, it's got a little belly band. This belly band holds, again, some cards for some little mats for pictures. And then just put a little fence as the belly band, and it opens this way with a magnet. Pictures, pictures right here and right here. I thought that was an excellent way to use the rest of that collection, and it is gone. And then of course right here I just put that beautiful trim. So yeah, that was a little extra thing that I sent her. Hopefully she can put it to good use. There we go. And I feel bad because I just got hers in and I still haven't sent this one off, but I am going to do that right now. That's why I said, well, let me go ahead and share this with everyone so they can see what I sent my partner, because I will be sharing what she sent me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day.